So, ang pinili naming subject dito is Science 7, which is Force, Motion, and Energy. Makikita niyo yung ating topic, MELC or Learning Competencies, Code, Durations, Weight, Number of Items, and the Cognitive Process, which is the sixth process of cognitive, which is remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. And the total number of item and the test item placement. So, for the week 1, which is, ang topic namin is waves. So, para makuha natin yung total number of item sa first topic, sa S7LT-quarter 3 C4, 4 divided by the total number of hours times the total number of item. So, pag tinimes natin yan, makukuha natin ay 5 items. So, ang 5 item na yan ay lalagay naman natin dito sa ating cognitive process dimension. So, 5. So, ang test item placement yan is 1 to 5. So, ganun din. Pag naman sa weight or the percentage of the item is 13.33. So, 4 divided by the total number of hours times 100, which is 13.33. So, dako na tayo dito sa baba. So, meron tayong 60%, which is 24 sa total number of items. Para makuha natin yung 60% ng 40, ay kailangan lang natin 60 divide 100 times 40, which is 24. So, hatiin mo yan, 12 sa remembering and understanding. Para naman makuha yung total number 30% ng applying at analyzing. So, 30% divide 100 times the total number of item. So, 40, which is 12, then 4. So, total of 40. So, ganito ang ginawa namin exam, which is multiple choice. Sa multiple choice, meron kaming 15 item. So, sa true or false naman, each 15 item din. Then, no, 20 item. Then, sa problem solving is 5. So, di na namin nilagay ang answer key because separate siya sa formal test natin. So, para sa pag-print ay nakabukod. So, yun lang. Salamat!